For this preparation, we need to take first the boneless chicken into a bowl with little bit of salt, black pepper powder, a pinch of Ajinomoto, that is the tasting salt, and 1 tablespoon of maida, that is all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, with little bit of soya sauce, with little bit of beaten egg. Mix all this mixture thoroughly until the chicken coats well with the corn flour, maida and egg. Don't add any water so that it becomes soggy. In the other hand, put the oil on flame. This chicken preparation can be used both for chicken manchuria as well as for chicken fried rice. Thoroughly mix it well and deep fry this in oil. So the chicken has coated well. Once the oil gets heated, we will deep fry it. Let's deep fry this in hot oil. Once the chicken is cooked little golden brown color, remove it from the flame and put it aside. Then you can use either for chicken manchuria or chicken fried rice. So our chicken is getting cooked. Once the chicken is cooked, take it onto a paper towel or paper napkin. So this chicken is completed. We have prepared the deep fried chicken. Now we will prepare the sauce for chicken manchuria. For that we need to heat the pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil. After oil gets heated, add fine chopped garlic and fine chopped ginger. For Chinese preparations, the cutting of vegetables are more important. Once this gets heated and cooked until golden brown color, now add the beans, carrot and the capsicum. Let it saute well. It is so colorful, right? So we are preparing the restaurant style of preparing the chicken manchuria. Now once this gets tossed, add soya sauce, chili sauce and a little bit of vinegar. And add these chicken pieces which you have already deep fried. Add a little bit of salt and pepper powder. Just toss it. You can add a little bit of tomato sauce in order to enhance the taste. Add a pinch of Ajinomoto, that is monosodium glutamate, MSG. Add a little bit of spring onion. This completed. Now we'll take it into the plate. This is the authentic Chinese preparation. We'll garnish with little spring onion, and we will garnish with slice of lemon and carrot. The yummy chicken which is prepared like chicken Manchurian style in the restaurant. So please try this recipe at your home and share your valuable experience through comments. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.